What's up, nerds and virgins? It's your boy APE Crypto, and today I'll be talking about a couple ETH projects that I believe have insane potential and that are yet to be minted. If you like NFTs and that sounds like something you're interested in, make sure before we jump into this, like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell to make Papa Ape happy. And while you're at it, make sure you follow me on Twitter at ApeCryptoYT for NFT news, NFT updates, and of course, giveaways. So stay tuned for that. Alright, so without further ado, the first project that I'll be talking about today is BEEINGS, which from the time of recording, this is minting in just a couple days. And as you can see from their Twitter banner, they have this cute doodle style, which is popping at the moment. From bees, to dogs, to birds, to frogs, cats, to apes, to clowns, to aliens, and folded cats, they have a huge range of NFTs available, all being extremely cute and giving you that cool cats vibe. I'm a huge fan of the art, as that is a big selling point with NFTs, but what I'm even bigger on is the team. So we have the founder in Kyler Allen, who has marketing experience for over 10 years, and he has built many successful brands, amassing millions of followers across all platforms. He's the founder and he has been very transparent. You can see this on the pinned video on the BEEINGS official Twitter, which I'll leave in the description. Make sure you watch this. This gives you a good insight of the project, what they're here for, and it just shows the transparency of the team. We've also got Lee and Carson, who's clearly a talented artist, and he's worked with a ton of huge brands across the world. And you got their advisor in Timothy Juiced, who spent a lot of his successful career building and running large-scale organizations, which is always good to have someone well-equipped like this on the team. And then you have Dev in Matthew, who has 20 years of experience in web programming and UI and UX design with a long list of successful software development and marketing solutions. So this team is full of studs, and what's also good to see about this team is they're doxed, which is also great. BEEINGS have picked up a ton of hype and a ton of interest, and I've seen this continuing to build as we get closer to their launch, and I expect these numbers to continue to grow as well, with 25,000 followers at the moment and 22,000 Discord members. This was at 18 when I checked this yesterday, so they are growing rapidly, and I expect this collection to be very successful. From the highly capable team to the awesome art that's very popular at the moment and the huge engagement that they're seeing on their posts, I have no doubt that this project can be really successful. There'll be 10,000 unique BEEINGS for 0.75 ETH, with the pre-sale being on January 31st at 7 PM Eastern Standard Time, and with their public sale being on February 1st, 7 PM EST. I'd recommend try getting on the whitelist for this project, and if not, you could try with the public sale, but that's always quite rough. And I'll be trying to get on there as well personally. The second project is GOONIEZ Gang, and if you've been following a lot of top NFT influencers, you'd have heard of this project before. This is a gang of 8,888 Goonies unleashed to cause chaos in the metaverse. And they are created by people who have worked on Transformers and X-Men. And by the quality of the artwork, you can definitely see that. It's absolutely insane, super high quality, very high definition. And with 81,000 followers on Twitter, it has definitely captured the eyes of many people. So based on the art alone here, that's clearly a big enough appeal, but it's not just the art that will bring value to this project. This is a metaverse project. And as per their roadmap in their Discord, the GOONIEZ Gang will be a racing game, and it will take the metaverse by storm, where you get to choose your customized vehicle with your Goonies character and battle it out on the racetrack. And this will be a play to earn ecosystem where you can earn points and coins in exchange for weapons and decked out cars while playing. And the in-game token will be Gang, and more information on this will be announced soon. There also will be an animated series which gives you an in-depth look of the Goonies origin and story leading up to the game. And they're warning that this will be chaotic, and there'll also be Goonies events, which will be an exclusive experience for token holders. After mint, there'll be a raffle for some round trips with the holders to meet the team and record content and a lot more. So the value for holding these NFTs is exactly what you're looking for. It's not only go up in value, but also to sustain value. The supply of the Goonies is 8,888. The mint date is to be decided, so make sure you follow me, Goonies, to keep up with that. The mint price is 0.25 ETH. So yeah, this will be highly competitive to get in on this project, and rightfully so, given the quality of it, big roadmap ahead, and just the huge demand that this project has picked up. I personally won't be trying to get in on this unless I have a whitelist spot, because the public mint will just be very hard to get in on. So I'd personally recommend you grinding for a whitelist spot. But yeah, I'm a big fan of GOONIEZ Gang, and I do think they'll be very successful given the quality of the artwork, their huge plans, and the huge demand that they have picked up. And I'm looking forward to the mint day. A third project I have for you today is a lot more new, and it's Young HAPES. 8,000 high fashion apes, and they have no website, no Discord, no nothing at the moment. other than previews, and as you can see on the screen, they look absolutely fantastic. So if you follow HAPES, you'd see the striking resemblance between these two. But they've stated they're not affiliated with this, but they're going with the same style, which has proven to be very popular, with HAPES being hyped up as one of the biggest drops in 2021. And it's currently sitting at around an 8 Ethereum floor. So they really do have the look and the tools to blow this project up. There's not much information about this project as of yet, but the art looks fantastic, and I can definitely see this being popular. In such a short amount of time, they've already reached 15,000 followers, and I suspect this will continue to grow. From the little information that I've seen on Twitter, it looks like they're set to launch in March of 2022, so stay tuned for that. Follow Young Hapes and follow myself to stay up to date with that. With little to no information and just releasing artwork alone, they've gained a ton of hype, and it'll be interesting to see how this goes through. The engagement has been insane, and I'm excited to see what's to come. Just based on the artwork alone, it's absolutely insane, and as a fellow ape myself, I'm very excited for this. The final project I'll be talking about in today's video is ChillRx, which is an exclusive club of industry disruptors, and they see themselves as the medicine for the music industry. It's a collection of 9,999 placebo pills that look like this, as I play this trailer. So that looks amazing, and it's clear to see why they've gained a huge amount of traction. With 30,000 followers, 55,000 Discord members in a very short amount of time. But what I really like about this project is the team, and as well as the utility. So the founder is Sydney Swift, who is a well-known Grammy-nominated music producer, who has worked with the likes of DJ Khaled, Jason Derulo, Nelly, Beyonce, Major Lazer, Big Sean, French Montana, Rita Ora, Future, Gucci Mane, Nicki Minaj, and Lil Wayne. So he's clearly a big deal in the music industry, and he aims to disrupt this industry with ChillRx. And along with Sydney Swift, he has a huge team to go with it, which is always good. When you invest in NFT projects, you have to look at the team, and you also have to look at the plan/utility. So by owning these NFTs, you have access to a recording studio in LA to work on projects and make your music and entertainment visions a reality with their professionals in the community. It also gives you the ability to participate in governance and vote on proposals related to roadmap and treasury allocation. It gives you access to exclusive airdrops, royalty distribution, and more. It will also give you a VIP ticket to the Innovative Music Festival, which is set to play in winter of 2022, which will be the back end of the year, given that this is an American project. And in this event, you get to perform, participate, and collaborate with them at the world's first crypto community organized music festival, headlined by none other than Chill Pill. They've also got events lined up, including holographic Vegas residencies, private parties, tea times, and book clubs with A-listers from the industry. So there's plenty of perks for holding this NFT, and they're doubling down on the fact that they're going to win a Grammy, and you get to go to the Grammy party events with featured artists and many more. And when they win, every holder will be sent a Grammy. And as they continue to grow, looking to do a play to earn game, exclusive listening party, song airdrop, and many more to come. So the potential for this project is huge, and it really could shake up the music industry. So what I love about this, basically you have a piece of songs and creations that you can take part in, and you have the royalties for it, along with huge perks like private events and much more. So they really give value to holders, and they truly incentivize holders to hold. So given that, I do think this project will do really well. Their mint price is to be decided. The launch date will be sometime in February, so we're close to that, so stay tuned for that. And there's plenty of whitelist spots available. And in their join whitelist section, they tell you plenty of ways how you can get your hands on this. So it takes a little bit of work, but it's definitely worth it in guaranteeing you a spot to get one of these chill pills. So anyway guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know, what do you think of these projects, and we'll be trying to get whitelisted by these projects. I know I will be, and I'm looking forward to it. I'll leave all the valid links in the description so you can check these projects out yourself. So do that as you please. If you liked this video and most importantly found it valuable, I'd appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to the channel, as that would help me a lot. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you NFT virgins next time.